In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto volume adjustment on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your TikTok application and go to your profile. And next, hit this three lines icon and select Settings and Privacy. And now scroll down until you find Accessibility. And there is the option of auto volume adjustment. Make sure that is toggled on, and when it's on, the video volume will be auto adjusted when you open the app, especially when it's too high, and this wouldn't affect your phone volume. If you don't got this option here, you need to update your TikTok application to the latest version because it's quite new feature. And now hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.